This project is LIFI based sensors data monitoring system. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with power supply, 16:2 LCD display. Here there are two parts, one is transmitter and second one is receiver. LIFI transmitter connected to Arduino UART port and also temperature sensor LM35, smoke sensor MQ4 and fire sensor connected to Arduino digital pins respectively. LIFI receiver connected to laptop through USB to serial cable. Now power on this. Here Arduino continuously monitor 3 sensors data and is displaying on 16:2 LCD display. Transmitter set transmits the sensors data through LIFI transmitter. It converts data to PWM format. And LIFI receiver set has a receiver and it amplifies the light signals, converts into text format. Here we can see all the sensors data in Arduino IDE software. Now we have to open the Arduino IDE software. First we have to open the tools and select the COM port option, COM port 7. Again we have to open the tools, select the serial monitor. Here we have to select the baud rate is 1200. Here both TX and RX should be placed face to face like this. Sometimes external lights may affect on communication, so be aware to external effect. You can see here on LCD fire on and that same data will send to laptop. If we activate the temperature, we can see here temperature of 106 degrees. Smoke on. Now smoke off.